Presenting the 2005 Honda Odyssey. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. In the city or on the highway, you'll spend less time at the pump with this fuel-efficient vehicle. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Indulge in the comfort of heated seats. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, leather seats, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, a satellite radio. Call today to schedule a test drive.